I never got to know her the way I wish I could have. If she were alive today, this is how I think I would film her. Not doing much, just sitting outside as if time had agreed to slow down for her. We called her Kunji Kunji, my mother's mother's mother. A woman from before my time, but somehow still inside it. I don't know her through interviews or recordings. I know her through the way people remembered her. I know her in small details, in habits, in softness, in the feeling of a home that must have once gathered around her. I guess maybe that's enough. Maybe some people don't need to speak to be remembered. Maybe that's what memory is, not a voice, just a presence that stays.